Yeah, you know that's that ice cream truck. You know him. If it ain't, hold on, what time is it? Oh yeah, he don't need to buy 10:30 bars. Yeah, we got them jalapeno cheddar, y'all. Look at that jalapeno cheddar in them links. Ooh, yeah, we ain't playing no game. Hey, yeah. So y'all already know. I'm just what you see the title. We grilling and chilling. Bars. That's a little something. Do some chicken weenies. Got some chicken weenies. Bars. Yeah. Already, you know, we got CB, we had Taurus gang pop out, show love. You know, I'm the real supporters. Bars. You already know who the best. Hey, hey, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Gonna let the rush, let the rush. I'ma let it be in the hearse with the best of the flowers in the graveyard.
Bars. Already, you already know. Family, number family, you already know. Y'all know where the link is at. Bars. Yeah. We just chilling with my bro. We just chilling with him. Really? Bars. Tap in, man. Yeah. Bars. Yeah. Let's go. Bars. We the best, y'all. Already, how's the baby? Already getting big and big. Bars. Yeah. No cap, y'all. Let's go. Y'all, we the best, man. We ain't turning down. We turning up. We turning up. We the best, y'all. Yeah. I am my channel. Cooking with love. Dallas, Texas. It's all one person. Me.
Yeah,
That's who. Let's go.
I'll just take alright. In the game, talk alright. Life is fast. Yeah, I ain't talking to them. Hey. All the cops wanna see me face down on the ground. Yeah, treat me like a dog going straight to the pound. Hey, I had to take a risk and I'm on for the ground. I'm taking to the fall. They can see me even if my heart open up. I be on my mind trying to change all this life. I'm a lucky charm, yeah, going down, going up. Gotta find balance when I'm in a rut. Yeah, see me bust a move. Working so hard, I did this for you. Get me out my mind, it's the interview. Yeah, I gotta cry for an interview. Finna play that fit, but I'm in the wrong. Haters wanna do me fucking dirty. I'm like, come on, dog. Come on, through it. I'm like, come on, dog. Cops on the block, we gon' shoot them down. Yeah, I'm on top with the fucking move. Yeah.
Okay, bars.
I've been feeling super bad to the bone, yeah. Super bad to the bone, yeah. They told me that I'm bad to the bone, so I'm trying to get it from the jump, yeah, I'm a throne. Living in this life, and I can't do it alone, so I'm always on my grind, trying to get some. Yeah, I be on my mind, so I'm trying to get some. Getting back to the grind like I'm working overtime. Yeah, hopefully it all works out. Overtime, yeah, energy might work out. In my prime, yeah, hopefully it works out. Yeah, back to the bone. Send it back to the bone.
Bars.